Hi guys, hi everyone, this is binary options tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you one of the few strategies which really works. So be ready to watch my video and watch it till the end. For you, I have chosen Bollinger Bands indicator. So I'm gonna try you to explain step by step how to make successful trade on binary option platforms. So right now let's get down to business, and I'm gonna choose Bollinger Bands. Right here on the platform we have the main settings. So we change the period 13. Here you may change the color of the line, but if you want, and apply. So guys, on the screen we have three main lines. The purple line right here is the moving average of the trends. The red line presents overbought conditions. So if it is overbought conditions, we click on red bottom. Red bottom is what? Is put option. Blue color presents oversold conditions, so we put on the green button. Green button, it is call options. Also we work here with the candles. So our task that we are waiting for the moment when the candle crosses blue line or the red line, and sometimes not sometimes it depends on its direction. So right now I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, my first investment will be $100. And under the video I will put links for you guys for the okay. So you see the white candle has already crossed the blue line. That's why I've made a call option, and my investment was $100, and we just waiting. Okay, there is one important thing. If you have the another moment to make your investment, you may try, because sometimes I try to use this opportunity. So I was talking about that under this video. I will put for you some useful tips and links for the register on the IQ option platform. And sometimes I will accelerate the video. Okay, our profit, good, really, 352. So you see how it works. That is what I told you about Continuum. So basically we have here three main lines, but we need actually we are working with the red line and with blue line. Purple line is the moving average of the trend. So we just waiting when the candle crosses one of these two lines, not the purple one. If you don't want to miss my video, I advise you to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell sign. Okay, I'm talking too much as usual. And you may write on comments what is your favorite indicator or strategy for you guys. for me is very interesting. Okay. The white candle crossed the blue line, but I've made my investment just a little bit late. So I'm waiting for the other moment, if I have it. Okay, profit 186. It is also good. Okay, the next investment should be 200. Why not? I advise you to listen carefully because each detail is important for you to work to get a successful trade on binary option platform. Okay, right now I've just made my investment 200. It was put option because the white candle crossed the red line, so I have good mood and hope that today we only will get a successful trade. Okay, 372. You see, good. Continue. So you see how it works. Bollinger Bands. This is indicator. Here we have 3 lines. It looks like the RSI indicator, but I assure you that they are different. Here we have 3 lines. On the RSI we have the levels. I'm gonna make the other video about the RSI indicator, but today we only work with Bollinger Bands. So okay, the next deal, I go back to my initial position, $100, and continue our work. Also advise you to look the history of the trend because you see how it works, and sometimes it helps you to predict somehow the direction of the trend, which will be in 1 minute. So you see right here the position, the candle crossed the red line. This is a good moment to make put option, and for example right here the white candle was growing up and it crossed the blue line. This is a good moment to make the call option. Call option when the candle is growing up. So here, using this indicator, you have to think just a little bit, not too much, but you have to think. Okay, $100, the white candle crossed the red line. You see, and actually I've made my investment too close to the expiration line, so we are waiting. Come on, don't grow up. 5 seconds left. Please fall down. Okay, 0. Guys, you know that you always you don't have successful trade. You have to be ready for profit, and in case of loss, you know that the next step should be, the next deal should be twice times and half bigger than the previous one. This is the main rule, so I advise you to understand it. So I'm gonna continue and you see how it works. $100 I'm gonna change to 150 because I need in the next trade, which I will get, cover my previous loss. So 250. We are waiting. Okay, $250 I've just made my deal, because you see right here the position of the candle, it was growing up and it crossed the blue line. Oh my gosh. Come on. Right now I'm gonna make the next deal. The same thing actually. 650, because I need to cover my previous loss. I advise you to stay cold-blooded, don't be so nervous, because it won't help you anyway. Okay, 650. You see that the blue candle crossed the red line. I don't want to make the other deal, the other investment. Okay, good, profit. I'm glad. I'm really glad. So 1,215. Actually, that is how works Bollinger Bands. You have to be ready for those moments when you will get unsuccessful trade, but you don't have to give up. Okay, and right now I go back to my initial position. In my case, it is $100. So okay, market is slipping just a little bit, but okay, so $100, the white candle crossed the blue line. Remember that blue line presents oversell conditions. Oversell condition is green bottom. Green bottom is call option. And right now we are waiting for a successful trade. I hold my hands and have good mood. Come on, grow up, please. Come on. Not good. Okay, 250. I'm gonna do the same thing. Sometimes the market and the trend is unpredictable for you, so it's not a problem, but you have to stay cold-blooded and you have to understand that every moment you may improve and change. So you see this direction, this is not good. moment. That is why I'm waiting for the another one. Okay. The white candle crossed the red line. Red line presents overbought conditions, and you have to click on the red bottom. Red bottom is put option. So 250 was my investment. It is getting hotter in my room because the candles are growing up and growing up, but I need the direction, their direction falling down actually. But we have expiration time 30 seconds, so come on, fall down please. Okay, I don't want to give up actually, so 650 and okay, 650. You see the candle has already crossed the red line, so move on guys. Oh my gosh. 0, never mind, 1000. Right now it's too hot in the room, but $1,000, and I need to catch a good moment. Because you see that sometimes everything may be unpredictable for you. So you see $1,000. Oh my gosh. The white candle crossed the red line. Fall down, fall down, fall down, fall down. Yep. Whew. Oh my gosh. So this is what oh my gosh. That is not so simple for today was for us, but remember that you always have to move on. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have some questions, love them. I read them, and see you on the next time. Thank you.